Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Cindy. I live in China. So natural hair is a struggle. Today is a hair fail day. This day was terrible, but I had to change it into a glam because I had a presentation that day. So no, there is always something to be done in every struggle. So I was going for a tapered look. I did a flexi rod with curl formers. I said, okay, I'm going to do that, but after 18 hours it did not dry. I pick up my blow dryer. I said, okay, I'm going to blow dry it. After blow dry it for 1 hour, no way. I said, okay, now I don't have any choice. I'm going to do something about it. Put it in a blow bond. Gorilla Snot Gel. We have a jam. In fact, all the gels in the world. We have ecostyler. It's already just a little bit, but it's gonna help. So the first thing you do, you try to comb it out. Comb the bad boys out. This is the result. We're gonna put this in a low bun. So let's get started. Girl, you have to work in sessions. Okay, I divided my hair into 2 parts. I first of all slick the back part of my hair. Work in session. For the key to every slick bun is sessions. Okay, smaller sessions. So each session that I take, I apply my product. I use my Denman brush. Here it's called a Denman brush. After using the Denman brush, go now to comb it out first with the Denman brush. Go now for my hard bristle brush now to slick it down. I decided to go. What happened is I went for a middle part, because if you go for a side part, you don't have time to be slicking down, but your hair is still short. So that is why I went for a middle part. It will be easy for me to slick the both sides down. My Denman brush to comb it out, and then after applying product, Denman brush, and then you wait now for the hard bristle brush now to even it out, like to slick it down. After the hard bristle brush, I use my the got to be spray. It works. Okay, you don't use much time when you use got to be spray. You just lay it down, you tame it down, very very easy, and then I hold it for some time, wait a little bit for some seconds, and then that is okay. So there was the same thing that I did for the other side of the hair. Boom, and I'm done. And after doing that, I went straight to do my baby hairs. After doing my baby hairs, I used the same got to be hairspray, sprayed all over my hair, used my hard bristle brush, slick it down, and after that I just pop on my scalp. Okay, let me just show it to you there. Low porosity hair, when you have a low porosity, you need a long time for it to be to dry. So take note. So after that, I put my scalp, did my makeup. After my makeup, girl, the thing was okay. I was looking all glam. Okay guys, I'm happy. Okay, my hair like for a ponytail. I said, oh, no, I can do something different. So I went for a Yanki hair that will match my hair texture. So for this time I used only 1 pack, and I put it on my stand, use argan oil and my curly one. Remember, if you're using a curly one, remember to wear gloves, because especially when you are in a hurry, it's very dangerous. So, and this hair is very very good. After this tie, I blow dry the hair, did clip ins, and I installed them on my natural hair. So this is an installation of clip-ins that I did with that same hair. I did a half up, half down my natural hair. So look at how it's very beautiful. It holds to curls very very well. So this is another clip-in that I did with Afro kinky human hair, and I blend it with my natural hair. So if you want any of this video, please comment down below. I'm ready to do that. So this hair is very good. So what I did was I just kind of hold the hair after curling it, hold it for about 10 seconds, leave it, and that was all. After curling it, how it is. So cool. So ready now for installation. Say bobby pins. So we're gonna use this. Look at the way it is. So good. So I'm just gonna place them. All my girls with low porosity hair, they know this. Low porosity hair is a struggle. How to avoid a bad hair day when you have a low porosity hair? Make sure that you have a wooded dryer in the house. If you don't have, buy one. If you cannot afford for it, make sure that you style your hair when it is stretched or dry. And if you style your hair when it is wet, make sure that you are going to wait for the next 24 hours to guarantee that it is dried, okay? Because you will not just, good morning, my hair is dried. It's not dried. That is not how it works with low porosity hair. The struggle is real. So you see here that after installing all my tracks of the human hair, I took hair from the side to close the track of the human hair for it to look natural. So that is what I did, and I'm looking all glam and prepared for my presentation. This is one pack, okay? One pack. What's this? Let me come closer. So after this, I just used my olive oil sheen spray, and that was good. Girl. I'm popping. I'm feeling myself. Yay! I'm feeling myself. So all prepared for the presentation. So I changed my outfit and I was ready and all glam. Okay? So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. I love you all. Remain blessed. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.